Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by verifying Auto Hide is enabled and opening settings. First, make sure no full-screen apps are forcing the bar visible. Save any work. Then open Start, type Settings, and press Enter. Once Settings is open, navigate to Personalization and select Taskbar. This gives you direct control over visibility and pointer behavior. Make sure you're running as a regular user. No admin prompts are required for these UI options, so move to the specific taskbar options next. Now you'll change the behavior that causes Mouseover reveals. In taskbar settings, confirm Auto Hide is on. Next, disable peek or taskbar thumbnail previews because those features respond to hover and can force the bar to show. Also turn off app badges and unnecessary system tray icons. Fewer active elements mean fewer surprises. Once done, test by moving the pointer slowly at the screen edge to see if the bar remains hidden. If it still appears, proceed to deeper options in the next slide. Finish with advanced fixes and a key troubleshooting step. If settings won't stop reveals, you can disable hover-related keys via registry or group policy. Be careful and back up first. After applying changes, restart Explorer or sign out to ensure new behavior takes effect. A full reboot resolves persistent cases. If the taskbar still appears, check for background apps that simulate mouse events and inspect your mouse or touchpad for stuck signals, because hardware or utilities often cause unintended reveals.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.